Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn PLC programming step by step. First, grasp the core concept of a PLC, which is essentially an industrial computer controlling manufacturing processes. Understand its role in automation, from simple tasks to complex systems. Next, explore the basic hardware, including the CPU, input/output modules, and power supply. Finally, begin to differentiate between common programming languages like ladder logic, which is widely used, and structured text, offering more advanced capabilities. Now, let's dive into the core programming concepts. Focus on ladder logic, which visually represents electrical relay circuits. You'll learn about normally open and normally closed contacts and output coils. Crucially, master timers for time-based operations and counters for event-based control. Practice these elements by building small programs in a simulator. Understanding data types like integers and booleans and how memory is addressed is also vital for effective programming. Moving forward, explore more advanced programming techniques. This includes using mathematical functions for calculations, comparison instructions for decision-making, and data manipulation for complex data handling. The key here is hands-on practice. Work through real-world scenarios or detailed simulations to solidify your understanding. Learning to troubleshoot and debug your code is an essential skill, helping you identify and fix errors efficiently, ensuring your programs run smoothly and reliably. To truly excel, continuous learning is paramount. Leverage the vast array of online resources, including dedicated courses, active forums for problem solving, and comprehensive manufacturer documentation. These resources provide invaluable insights and support. Pursuing industry certifications can significantly enhance your professional credibility and demonstrate your expertise. Always stay informed about emerging PLC technologies and software updates, as the field is constantly evolving, ensuring your skills remain relevant and cutting edge.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.